Hello my lovely kids, welcome back to our learning class. Today we will learn how to write the letter I and J. So take your notebook and pencil, sit nicely and write me. Are you ready kids? Let's start our writing practice. Look kids, this is the letter I. Now I will show you how to write I. Step 1. Draw a straight line down. Step 2. Draw a small line at the top. Step 3. Draw another small line at the bottom. Great! Now we made the letter I. Let's say together I for ice cream. Now kids, try to write I in your notebook. Very good! Now look at this letter. This is the letter J. Let's write it together. Step 1. Draw a straight line down. Step 2. Make a small curve at the bottom. Great! Now we made the letter J. Let's say together J for jug. Now kids, write J in your notebook. Excellent work. Let's repeat again. I for ice cream. J for jug. Practice writing these letters every day. Today we learned how to write I and J. In the next class we learned new letters. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next learning video. Bye bye kids.